Today we're doing 8.4, which is talking about percent increase and percent decrease. Okay, we need to start by getting 3 definitions down. The first is percent change, and percent change is the ratio, so it's going to be a fraction, of the amount of change to the original amount. So this is going to look like the ratio will be percent change equals the change over the original amount. Percent increase describes how much original amount increases. So an example would be it increased by 18%. And percent decrease describes how much original amount decreases. So an example could be it decreased by 12%. Let's try this first example up here where it says find the percent increase or decrease from 20 to 24. So first of all, you can say that we're going up. So there's an increase here. So let's write increase. Now we're always doing change over the original. So to figure out the change, we need to do 24 minus 20. So what is the change? So if you do that, you do 4. Now to find the percent, I'm going to do the change over the original, and we started at 20. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 4 divided by 20, and you get 0.2. And if I want to find that as a percent, I then multiply by 100, and you get 20%. So see if you can try the second one on your own, where it says find the percent increase or decrease from 325 to 215. Okay, what you should have done is you should have said that this is a decrease because our original is now getting smaller. So to find that change, we need to do 325 minus 215. And when you did that, or when you do that, you get 110. That's my change. My original is where I started, so this is over 325. Divide those out, and you're going to get a number that goes on, and it's 0.338. If I multiply that by 100, you get 33.8. If I want to round this nearest percent, we could say that this is about 34%. And you need to have both the increase and the decrease written as well as whatever your percent is. So let's try this word problem. It says the heart rate of a hibernating woodchuck slows from 80 beats to 4 beats per minute. What is the percent decrease? So this tells us it's a decrease right away. So first, we still need to find that change. So we're going from 80 to 4. So what is that change? Well, 80 minus 4 is 76. That's my change. So we're doing change over the original. You started at 80, so we're going to do 76 over 80. Divide those out, and you get 0.95. I want to find that as a percent, so again, multiply by 100, and you get 95%. Okay, let's try this one. It says Anthony bought an LCD monitor, originally priced at $750, and was reduced in price by 35%. What was the reduced price? So what we can do is we can take our $750 and multiply that by our percent. So go ahead and figure that out right now. Alright, you should have gotten $262, so $262.50. Now this is not the reduced price. This is how much money is taken off. So all we have to do is take our original price of $750 and subtract it from our money saved, which is $262.50. Subtract those two, that's your decrease, and you get $487.50. Now, if this was an increase, if the price was increased, we would have added here instead. But because it's decreased or reduced, that's why you are subtracting. So let's put a little side note. If we increase, we're going to add, and if we decrease, we're going to subtract. Alright, let's try these last two problems, and you are going to have problems very similar to this on your homework tomorrow, so make sure that you understand these. It says to find the missing number. So they're giving you your original price is $500. They don't know what the new price is, but there's a 20% increase. So what we can do is just like we were doing in the last one. We can do 500 times our percent, which as a decimal is 0.2. And when you do that, you get 100. So there's an increase, so we're going to have to add $100. So our new price is $600. Now number 2 is different, so make sure you have this one written down. They don't know, or you don't know, what the original price is, but the new price is $4.20, and there's a 5% increase or decrease. So I want to show you a little trick. If you go back and look at this first one, if you had done 500 times 1.20, go ahead and do that in your calculator and see what you get. You should have gotten 600. This only works for increase. So when you're increasing, or like when you go to the store and you add a tip, you can multiply that by 1 point and then whatever tip you want to add to give you your new price. So we can think about that the same way for this one. If we want, we have our percent, or our original price. We don't know what that is, so let's mark that as P. We're going to subtract that from our decrease, which is as a decimal 0.05. And we need to multiply that by whatever that original price is, and it equals 420. So again, this P is the original price. Okay? Now these are like terms. So 1 minus 0.05 gives you 0.95p, which equals 420. Now you've been practicing algebra, you know what this means, multiply. So to undo multiplication, we're going to divide both sides by 0.95, and the original price is going to be $4.42. So let's check it just to see. Let's do 4.42 times 0.05. See what you get. Should get 0.22, and since we're talking about money, we can leave off that 1. Well, now if I just want to subtract it, so we can check it by 4.42, because that's my original, minus 22 cents, and you get 420, which is right there. Okay, from now on, or from here now, you can do your exit slip online.